Another SVR warning.
Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Alamance County, Orange County, Harnett County, Lee County, Wake County, western Johnston County, Durham County, Chatham County until 11:15 p.m. At 10:32 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Elon to near Pittsboro to 8 miles northeast of Carthage, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, law enforcement. Trees have been reported down in several locations in Randolph County. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Raleigh, Durham, Cary, Chapel Hill, Burlington, Sanford, Graham, Hillsboro, Pittsboro, and Wilmington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:15 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina,